Hi everybody, welcome to my art room. Today I'm going to do a small canvas 6x6. I'm going to do a pseudo swipe. I'll show you exactly how to do it. It's a pretty simple technique using the bloom recipe and cell activator. So stick around and let's get to it. Okay everybody, we're going to get started. So I am doing a pseudo swipe on this 6x6 canvas, 5x5 canvas. I'm just putting some house paint down. This house paint, eggshell house paint, just white eggshell. My paints and my mixtures will be in the description below. It's just something in here I need to take away. All right. So this is for demonstration purposes. I'm gonna get some gloves on. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use my bloom mixture, which is in my description. I'm going to do a pseudo swipe, and I'm gonna swipe it with some Payne's Gray that I have mixed up with my Aussie Floetrol. Okay, so what you do is you can take whatever colors I've got. This is a Prussian blue, and I'm just gonna swirl it around in one area. It doesn't have to be the whole size of the canvas. You can leave some space and then swipe down, because I probably will tilt this after. And this consistency is a little bit thinner than my pillow paint. See, I'll show you my pillow paint. It's in this container. See, it leaves a mound, stays for a second or so, and then disappears. It's not really, really thick, and it's not really, really thin. I think it's medium. There's my paint. Leaves a mound. This one actually is a little bit thick. I'm just going to add a tinge of water if you think it's too thick. It's a metallic. This is a DecoArt Extreme Sheen Lavender Frost. So I'm going to drizzle some of this around. And then I have some orange, and it's a Liquitex Basics cadmium orange. This disappears a little quicker than the pillow paint, but I just want to make it a bit thinner. There. It's a pretty orange. And I have some cadmium yellow. That's my orange. My yellow is deep yellow. It's a JoSonja yellow. I'm not going to put too much yellow in. Should be about it. So if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. If you like my videos, it doesn't cost a dime. It's free of charge. And then if you hit the bell, you'll get notified when I do a new video. So I've got some cards. I'm going to add this is my Prussian, oh no, this is my Payne's Gray, that's what it is. Let's see if I can show you. And this should be a little thinner than the other paints. So it is. I'm going to lay some on my card. And I'm going to swipe. Oops. Oh, look at that. It almost looks blue, the Payne's Gray. Now this time I might go the other direction. Cup out of the way, I'm going to go this way. I'll show you close up. Look at those cells. The reason I went the other way was to cover over it, get rid of that big hunk of black that was there. This I might see if I can just swipe it a little bit. It'll mostly be white probably. I didn't want to do it so big. Oh, that was a bigger black mark than I was hoping. I should have left it. That's okay. All right, so now I'm going to tilt. If you don't like something, just tilt it off. And I tilt it down this way. I'm going to come back. I'm going to come back in the middle again. I'm going to go this way. I'll bring it back a bit more. And I go back again. And I come this way now. Just add a bit more paint here. I was going to leave some negative space, but I don't think so. All right, I'm going to go back. Okay, so I'm going to tilt it back now. I don't think I need to go back too far, but I'll stretch this side to make it match the other side. Colors came out very pretty. I like the stripes in between too. So yeah, Prussian blue works. As long as you use an opaque paint, you could use, you can make up a cell activator with opaque colors. And it should work. I use Aussie Floetrol. Some people mix up regular Floetrol, a 6:1 ratio. Some people add a little bit of ink to their cell activator. There's a few recipes. Mine is in my description. Just touching up my sides. There. I think it's awesome. Awesome, awesome. Let's bring it down a little bit more, maybe. There. There. What do you think? It's pretty. It's a pretty pseudo swipe that I did over a painting I didn't like. There you go. I'll put the dried result at the end of this video. There you go. It's easy to do. It's a good way to use leftover paints that you don't want to use either. I've done it with paints mixed with Floetrol also, except for the cell activator. But my colors, I've used Floetrol paints too. Just check out my other videos. And at the end of my video, where the playlist or where the dried results are going to be, there'll be a playlist that you can click on to see more of these. All right, have a good day. Stay tuned for the dried results. close-up time. Hi everyone, here's my dried canvas, dried nice and smooth. I love it, those pretty colors, and the lacing and the cells. It's awesome. These blooms are awesome. Or actually, this is a swipe, but it's a similar idea. All right, have a good day and come back to Carol's art room. Bye-bye.